Public School. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Now today we are going to see what is suspension. Now suspension is nothing but it is a heterogeneous mixture. We have seen in the activity 2.2. Let me show you that activity. See, I told you here. When you add a chalk powder or a wheat flour in a glass of water. So when you add a chalk powder, you can try this activity at your home with the help of a soil also, or a wheat flour is easily available. Take a spoon and add it into water and stir it. If you see, you can easily see the particles of the wheat flour or a chalk or a soil into it. And if you keep it aside for a while, it gets settled down at the bottom. So this is a suspension liquid. The particles can be seen with a naked eye, right? The particles can scatter a beam of light, but that can scatter a beam of light. Now when you pass a laser light through it, you can easily see the path of light from it. When you keep it undisturbed, the particles get settled down, and also you can filter out that with a filter paper. So if you take a tissue, 2-3 tissues together, and when you pour, the water come out of it, and the floor or a soil gets settled on a tissue paper. Now what is colloidal solution? The next bit which is a activity is take a glass and add only 1 or 2 drop of milk into it. When you add 1 or 2 drop of milk or a Dettol, not a Savlon, okay, only 1 or 2 drop, not more, you know the whole water become whitish. Now definitely while looking you think it is a homogeneous mixture, but no, it is not a homogeneous mixture, it is a heterogeneous mixture. Third thing, the size of the particle is smaller than that of a suspension. Yes, so even this also can be scattered, the ray of light. So when you pass a beam of light through it, you can easily see the path. And the last one is, you can, when a laser, when you put it on it, so you can easily see the path of light. So Tyndall effect is also possible into colloidal solution. Okay, even you can see the same natural phenomena in a canopy of a dense forest. Canopy of a dense forest means what? That when a light comes into a dense forest, there is a mist and a soil. So if there's water and particles of dust and everything is there, because of that Tyndall effect happens. So the 4 properties: it is a heterogeneous mixture, the size is smaller than that of a suspension, which cannot be seen with the naked eye. In suspension you can see the particles with a naked eye. Third is, it can scatter the light. And fourth, if you keep it undisturbed, it do not settle the way it has settled in suspension. And third, it can do you cannot separate it with the help of filtration process. Okay, but there is one more special technique called centrifugation, which I'll teach you later on. Okay, so that's it. We learned what is suspension, we learned what is colloidal solution. Just look at it very properly and ask me if you have any doubt. Thank you.